Welcome back. Now that you're familiar with how to invest in property, let's focus on property investment technique. To start investing in property, these are the fundamentals that you have to know. The price tag of the property, the amount it will cost to maintain the property, how much rental pay you'll get, if of course you're planning to generate rental income, how much your home loan reimbursements will be if you're planning to generate capital gains. Your property venture group is one of your best resources as you develop your property portfolio. Research your group before you begin putting resources into property and cash over the long term. Your group will incorporate many other roles. The must-have roles in your property speculation group will include your ANZ Home Credit and Protection Authorities. They assist in home loans. Your legal advisor. Their task is to safeguard your legal rights and facilitate the transfer of your property. And your accountant. They provide financial guidance and assistance during real estate transactions. They also prepare financial reports on behalf of property owners and real estate developers. The last step is to set your investment goals. Goal setting is important in investments because if you don't have a clear goal, you'll fall for everything. Then at the end, you'll end up having many different investments which may be giving you good returns, but really have no strategy. It's not an effective move because if you had pooled the money together, you'd be able to invest with a clearer direction. To do this, sit down with your financial advisor and chart out your strategy for the next 1 to 3 years. You should include projections based on current market trends to see if an investment vehicle is worthwhile to be in. After your plans have been laid out, the next part is to execute the plan. In summary, don't be afraid to invest. It would be foolish not to invest because money that's not put to good use loses its value over time, even more so when it's just sitting in the bank not doing anything.